Every time DJI pushes the Mini series forward, it quietly reshapes what portable drone really means. Now, attention is shifting again toward the DJI Mini 6 Pro, a model still unannounced, yet already surrounded by leaks about bigger imaging power, smarter flight systems, and performance that could challenge expectations in this category. Right now, the DJI Mini 6 Pro exists only in rumors, but the consistency of those rumors is what makes it interesting. After the Mini 5 Pro pushed a 1-inch sensor, 4K at 120 frames per second video, lidar-assisted obstacle sensing, and up to 36-minute flight time into a sub-250 grams body, the expectations for the next step are already extremely high. Most current discussions across drone communities and leaks suggest DJI is not trying to reinvent the Mini line, but stretch its limits further without breaking weight regulations. The most repeated claim is a larger or more refined 1-inch class sensor, possibly pushing better dynamic range and cleaner low-light performance. Some speculation even talks about a higher resolution jump beyond 50 megapixels, but that remains unverified. Video capability rumors are slightly more grounded around 5.1K at 60 frames per second as a realistic target, while more aggressive claims push toward higher resolutions. The Mini 5 Pro already set the baseline for professional-grade imaging in a tiny body, so the Mini 6 Pro conversation is less about can it shoot well, and more about how far DJI can push cinematic flexibility in editing and cropping. One of the most debated upgrades is variable aperture control, f1.7 to f11 range speculation. If real, this would give creators real exposure control in changing light. However, engineers and community discussions also question whether such a system is even practical under strict sub-250 grams constraints. On the performance side, most rumors cluster around 40 to 60 minutes of flight time, but the realistic expectation sits closer to the lower end of that range. The Mini 5 Pro already pushed 36 to 52 minutes depending on battery configuration, so gains here will likely come from efficiency improvements rather than massive battery jumps. AI and safety are another major focus. DJI's recent direction, seen in Mini 5 Pro and newer ecosystem drones, heavily leans into lidar-assisted obstacle sensing, smarter active track style prediction, and stronger night navigation capabilities. This is where the Mini 6 Pro could actually feel more next-gen than its camera upgrades. Brands like emerging compact drone competitors and entry-level creators' drones are slowly targeting the same easy cinematic flying audience. But DJI still dominates this space because competitors struggle to match sensor size plus flight intelligence plus ecosystem stability in one package. Thanks for tuning in. At this stage, the Mini 6 Pro feels less like a product and more like a direction DJI is slowly moving toward. But what do you think matters most? Camera upgrades, flight time boost, or smarter AI features? Drop your thoughts in the comments.